Board Member Kahilig is recognized.
Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer and the author of this ordinance. The Provincial Ordinance number 2023-297, an ordinance declaring the first week of October of every year as Farmers and Fisherfolks Week in the province of Iloilo, and providing funds thereof, thereby amending the certain provisions of Provincial Ordinance number 2018-190. I move for the approval of this ordinance as authored by the Vice Governor as stated,
Sponsored by you,
and sponsored by Honorable Kahilig.
There is a motion, Your Honor. I move for the approval of, on third reading, I move for the approval of the said ordinance.
okay, for Provincial Ordinance number 2023-297, those who are in favor, please raise your right hand. Mr. Secretary?
It appears, Your Honor, that all members present voted in favor of the ordinance.
With the result of the voting, Provincial Ordinance number 2023-297, stop? Yes, 297, entitled An Ordinance Declaring the First Week of October of every year as Farmers and Fisherfolks Week in the province of Iloilo and providing funds thereof, thereby amending certain provisions of Provincial Ordinance number 2018-190, authored by the Honorable Vice Governor Christine Garin and sponsored by the Honorable Rolito C. Kahilig, is now approved under third and final reading. Congratulations and thank you.